Premier secluded location, popular community with pet-friendly parks, and just about 5.5 miles from the Clermont Lake Migniola public boat ramp. Situated on just shy of a quarter-acre with a fenced backyard is a fantastic two-story home with 5 bedrooms, 3.5 baths and 2-car garage with extra wide driveway. You will appreciate modern updates such as a remodeled kitchen with granite counters and center island. Plus a great view of the family room with sliders opening to a large brick paver patio. Let's not forget spacious rooms, flexible entertaining space, and a fantastic fenced backyard. Inside, chestnut tinted tile flooring in the foyer, family room, and kitchen accent fluffy carpet in the formal living room and easy maintenance flooring in the dining room. Newly renovated kitchen with stainless steel appliances, granite countertops and California design breakfast bar invite everyone to enjoy comforting surrounds and instant access to the outdoors. A breezeway separates the living areas and provides access to a guest bath, huge storage room, and staircase leading to all bedrooms. The second-floor master suite is quite large with a big walk-in closet and updated master bath with tile floors and separate dual vanities with granite tops. There are 4 additional bedrooms, one that is a full suite with a private bathroom, plus extra storage closets, and a full-size laundry room. Nearby in Clermont is the